Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you about a mini project, and I must apologize because I have uploaded really late. Okay, I must apologize for that. So today I'm going to show you about how to work with Python, and don't worry, this lesson is very easy to learn because I trying to make this project. This project was helped by ChatGPT. All right. Okay. Let's have a look. This object. In this object, I like to make an object, and this object has four actuators. The first one, an object move in y-axis, and then actuator number 2 move backward or move minor y-axis, and actuator number 3 move for x-axis in minor x-axis, and the last one, actuator number 4, an object set state to state number 2. In summary, when the game is running, after you press P to play real time, when you press P to play the game, you can see this object will do actuator, the first one, and the first one has delay time. Delay time is 1. After that, this object will gonna play at actuator number 2. Okay, let me try. So this is the font, and we can say it forward. So let me change this object orientation. Okay, when the game is running, move forward, backward, and move to left, and then set state to state number 2. Now you can see you can change this value if you want a value more than 1. Okay, you can put number 3. Alright. Okay, and then press P to play. Okay, your object is going to move long. Alright, now you can see, as we know, we have 4 actuators, and what happens if you want to add another, such as if I turn this to move for axis. Okay, let's see how to, okay, let's see what happened. Move forward and then move backward, move to the left and right, and then stop. Oh, sorry, in the last one, the last actuator, an object will run and not stopping. So if you want to add another, you can change a Python code like this. Okay, if you want to change, you need to change actuator, this variable, this actuator name, and delay time. You need to add. Okay, it goes delay time 4, and the last one, this structure. Alright, instead is 4, delay 4. Okay, you can change this 4, and this activate 3. Okay, look at the previous structure. 2, 3, 3, 4. It should be 4, 5. And this actuator 5. Instead 4. Okay, let's see. We need to add another actuator, so I move state. And don't forget to change this actuator name. So the last one should be actuator number 5. Okay, when this actuator runs sys 2 state number 2. Alright. Okay, let's see what happened. Press P to play. So implementation of this project, you can implement when you want to make some object has property, change a value in a property you want. Alright. And all of this was helped by ChatGPT. Okay, let's go open the internet, and this is our conversation with ChatGPT. I try to give him a detail where I want him to make, what I want him to create, and I try and tried. Sometimes it doesn't work, and I give him a debug, because if sometime a Python code, if it doesn't work, you need to give him the reason, and you should give him by toggle system control. Alright, it's important because ChatGPT will find the way to solve the problem. ChatGPT need to know about the debug it shows, and you can give him like I used. You can see when I have a problem, I tell him. Okay, and finally I got the best one of Python script. As you can see, I chose you when I played this project. Thank you.